Okay, so we are going to use this Amazing Mold Putty, and I got this from Hobby Lobby. It was $19.99. They have this in Michael's, but in Michael's I think it's almost $30. So I bought this from there, and then I used my 40% coupon, even though I do not agree with Hobby Lobby's whatever. But this was 40% off. So inside this package, you'll see there's two parts that you have to mix together. So you have to mix equal parts of 1 and 2. So we're going to mix equal parts of these two to make a mold. And today's mold, I asked in the candle group, what do you want to see me make a mold of? And someone said the chess piece from, what is this?
The knight.
The knight from the chessboard. So this is the knight we are going to use.
And by the way, I'm Auntie's.
You called me Auntie, so they know you're my nephew.
Yeah. Plus, we have our own YouTube
and
channel too.
He's promoting on my channel. Okay, so if I have more, I'm going to make this. This is what? The king?
That's the king. Yes.
Okay, and this is the king. So, without further ado, let's go into the video. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to weigh it out to make sure that I have equal amounts of the yellow and the white. So equal amounts of part 1 and part 2. But a good measure is just to see if this will cover what you have. And so you know that you're going to have about double this. So you just want to make sure you have enough to make sure it forms around the object. And also, since this is a chess piece, it's going to need to stand this way, because I need to catch all of this at the top. So instead of it being flat at the bottom, I'm going to do it the other way, because it'll be easier for me to get it out of this. So I bought my scale in, and I'm going to measure out the part 1 and part 2. So this 51 grams, I'm gonna say 55. So we'll do 55 of each. We're gonna add 55 up there. That's 49, 52, 55. Okay, and you still have more of this stuff so you can make more molds. So you want to just start taking it and mixing it completely until the yellow turns, the white mixes into the yellow, and this whole bowl turns yellow. And what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to mix, I'm going to mix this whole thing, but I'm going to do half and then the other half, so I can make sure that I get the whole thing. I'm not even sure how this is going to work out. We are going to try it and see, because I've only done flat objects. I haven't done anything like. Alright, we look almost ready. There's still a little white in there. We don't want to take too long because the putty will start setting up. We want to be able to get the mold together. So that looks about right. And I think this is how I'm going to do it. Roll it. Oops. I'm going to do it like this. Oh wait, we probably need a little bit more. We need a base. It's got to be able to stand. Okay. Gonna move that up there. Yeah, I would probably do this different another time. We're gonna try to create a base right here to have it stand up. And open this. What is that? Uh-oh.
Let's jump.
Uh-oh. Trying to move a little bit faster because it's starting to set up on me. And again, we want to try to keep this part flat. And you want to mix it together because you don't want it to, when you try to pull it out of the mold, you don't want it to break off. So I want this flat, like, so it can stand up like that. I've never done anything that's three-dimensional. I've always done just a flat object, and the back was always flat. I didn't have a front and a back, so this is something new. But there you got it. And we're just gonna let this set up for a little while. Okay, so we're just gonna let this sit and set up for 15 to 20 minutes, and we will come back. I'm gonna go get a flat surface, a flat object, and show you how to do something in a flat object that will look neater. Okay, so I'm not sure this was such a good idea. Maybe I should have did half of it, and I'm probably going to try it again with just half of it, but I can't do this as a three-dimensional piece. Let's see, because I think whatever is in here would break trying to come out. Alright, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try the chest piece again, but I'm gonna only doing it flat, so half of this. I'm not going to go try to do three-dimensional because I had a problem. I'm having a problem getting it out of there. 20 grams of yellow and 20 grams of white, and make sure you keep them closed because you don't want them to dry. Now we're going to again knead this, and what we're going to knead this into is like a log of bread, and then we're going to roll the chest piece. And I'm going to gently press it on the flat surface, turn it over, and then put the object in there. And then do it the other way. Alright, so. And this creates you get quite a few molds out of this package. Okay, so we got the ball. Here's the log. Okay. Now I'm going to take the piece, press that down. Alright. I want more up here. Lift this up. And we just formed around the edge so we can have a full piece. So this is what we have. This is the chest piece. And it could be neater, like right here could be neater. But that's what we have. And we're just going to let this sit for 15-20 minutes.